Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go live and share your screen on YouTube mobile. First of all you have to do is go to Play Store and download this application called Screen Stream Mirroring Pro. Once you've downloaded the application, you have to click on Open. You have to give some permissions. Now, once you're into the application, all you have to do is click on this hamburger menu on the top left corner. From here, you have to select YouTube. Now, you will see an option called Login with YouTube. Click on it. Now, once you're logged in with your YouTube account and you're basically done, you can go to this settings tab and you can change the video preference. You can change the resolution from 720 to 1080p. You can change your frame rate. You can auto adjust the bitrate, or you can also enter a manual value for the bitrate encoding, or you can go back and audio preferences. If you want, the audio source will be microphone and internal or only internal microphone. So you can select or tweak your settings from here. You can adjust the internal and your microphone volume. Once you've done all of the steps, all you have to do is go back and click on this play button. Once you've clicked on this play button, your YouTube live streaming will start and you will be live on YouTube. You can, if you do any of the things on your screen, it will be live on YouTube. You can show your screen to the world on YouTube, your fans, and that's how you can go live and share your screen on YouTube mobile. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.